That led to me being really slim, and now that I'm trying to recover and put weight on, I'm a stereotypically beautiful type of slim. I also went to study in Turkey for high school and I hadn't heard from her at all. That was until a few days earlier when my school shared a photograph on their Instagram where the whole class is on. The first thing I noticed is that she, always in the middle like usual, as she's an attention seeker to an extreme level, is visibly fatter. I mean, sure, she had horrible eating habits like devouring 2 bags of chips and 1 bag of candy every day in addition to 3 to 4 full meals. But I'm embarrassed to admit I squealed with happiness as I saw her sitting there, looking like a barrel of seal grease with a typical ugly makeup look that was giving somewhere in between a failed drag queen makeup look and an usual case of pre-shower makeup. Anyways, I'm doing better and I'm in recovery, and she's built like embarrassment from the new Inside Out 2 trailer. And because of that, I'm happier than ever.